The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt Shakmat but Hadien. Blind view monitor. Bakiway. Take kum ki kaliram. Hagador ke bejam. Tak sao pun riulak. Just wow.
Kejeng kan at snam kalau mi biang Khappud ke jela Assam bat Arunachal Pradesh hagas step jong ke sepau tarik nailar arja arpun rio Hadien bagi brio ki ba 4 la ban itu na kaliang Arunachal Pradesh kila Siat bat pen mensau ya kumba khat prangot ki nong jong ke Assam. Kini kejeng kan at kalau jia haming mang basti hapo ke district Dhemaji jong ke Assam halor kejeng ka jia Jaka hakathan Khappud. Na perengki khat prangot ki bala mensau saungot ki dei ki bala khamjur bala penkit no yaki se Dibrugarh Medical College but Hospital ban yo jing sumar ka bakham kerki kat kum ki telong kubor ka jinge kan at kelas dang na ka jinge ka dia lor ka jing keno badon ka jing wan kini ni pendon kambi an ya ka Jaka hakathan Khappud ming mang basti bat kala nang jor hadu bala mi ka jinge sian ki bor pahara ki la pentep kat tu ganingot ki babensau ki kenthop yo Durgeshwar Patil Rohit Doli Nagaraj Doli, Bigeshwar Patir, Pame Pigu, Sanjay Tayung, Utpal Doli, Badjan Doli. Menteri Rang Bak Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma Ulaong bagi Chief Secretary Jongki Artli ki jela ki don ha kejeng kran ban penjam ya kejeng kan at kat bagi Director General of Police Jongki Ar jelaru ki dang ya trailang ban te lakam ya kejeng long jingman. Ula pentep ru bagi pulat ke Assam ki lapai ki kenhon jeng rap sakte ke Jaka bat bantam ki jeng kan at Henry ula ben rapan bagi bor pulat ki dei ban Pynthikna bak Assam kanam du wat tangsi Inshi ru ka khendau jong ka jella. Kene ki jeng ja ka wan hapreng ke jeng ka ja Khappud ka blan ne de ki postnam hapreng ka Assam bat Arunachal Pradesh. Nakaliang ki bor sensar jong ki ar jella ki khmilanti ban penlong ki jeng toket ke babnya halor ka ni ka jeng ja bat ban shemi ki sen jam ban khangla de ki jeng kan at snam bakan nang jur. Kejinglong jingman hakate kathan kadang don hapreng ke jings ear Henry ki bor pahara ki dang pet ngor bat wan rak syong sok syong san. Shwa kene menteri katanat kampo yeng jong ka Arunachal Pradesh umama natung haka arpo pratari unai tung araja arfon ri ulaong. Baka sarkar jela kadang kut jingmut ban pen bet no ya borok ki jing ka ja Khappud lengba ki regional committee. Ula kentui ki pat ba ki basong basa hakithan Khappud jong ka Assam bat Arunachal Pradesh ban penne ya ka jing syong sok bat ka jing ya dei ka babaha. Ula kedau baya ki jing ka ja Khappud hasan tli ki district ladapan penbet kat bagi jing kran ban penbet ya ki benta ki badangsa ki laya chakmat.
I think today there was a clash in Dhemaji district between Assam and some people belongs to Assam and Arunachal, but I have got the information right now that matter has been almost resolved amicably. I have no in-depth information about this. I have already deputed my education minister to talk to the counterpart in Arunachal Pradesh. Our DGP also in touch with the counterpart in Arunachal. Our Chief Secretary is also in touch with Arunachal Pradesh. I think matter has now been resolved. It is a localized conflict, nothing to do with the state as such.
Habatien, pej bahaki ki shop, ka shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Haka bam bangi bam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka shop plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya